Okay, listen. Attraction isn't built on what you say, it's built on how you move through the world. Your pace, your presence, your habits. Most guys are busy learning what line to use while completely ignoring what actually changes how women feel around them. This goes way deeper than people realize. Habit 1. Smell and emotional memory. Smell is tied directly to memory and emotion. That's why certain people or moments hit you instantly when you smell something familiar. When you always smell good in the same way, you become associated with a feeling. She might forget what you wore, but if she smells that scent again somewhere, her brain goes, "Oh, him." You didn't say anything, but familiarity just turned into comfort. Habit 2. Looking put together. This isn't about fashion. It's about respect. When your clothes fit, are clean, and don't look random, it signals self-respect, not arrogance. Most guys either try too hard or don't try at all. The middle wins. Subconsciously, she thinks, this guy can probably handle life. That feeling alone creates attraction. Habit 3. Slowing your speed. Speed is emotional. When you talk fast, you sound nervous, rushed, unsure. When you slow down just a little, your words land heavier. You feel calmer. You sound more confident, and she feels safer. It's crazy how slowing your speech changes the entire energy. Habit 4. Real listening. Most guys listen just enough to reply. They're already planning their next sentence. When you actually listen, without interrupting, fixing, or rushing, she feels understood. And feeling understood creates emotional connection. That's attraction at its core. Habit 5. Presence and eye contact. Eye contact isn't about being intense, it's about being present. When you look at her while she talks, not your phone, not the room, she feels important. And people are naturally drawn to those who make them feel important. These habits aren't about chasing attraction, they're about becoming more settled in yourself. And when you do that, attraction stops being something you chase, it becomes something people feel.